What would you do if I exploded behind you? Pause. I feel like taking all of this off is gonna take more time than it took to put it on. My hands have been sweating profusely in these gloves. Sorry for the TMI. And I am gonna put my salad fingers in my eyes to take the contacts out because my eyes are also insanely dry. Eyes dry and hands wet. I like to have it the other way around. Eye drops. Oof. Why did I eat that? Why did I eat contacts? Why did I do that? You win some, you lose some. I already have so many green makeup prints, but another one won't hurt. Oh, I rubbed my entire face off. Oh, what? This eyeliner is extremely waterproof to the point where it didn't even come off on the makeup print. It's white. Okay. That's a really ugly makeup print. Is this giving Minecraft Creeper? I don't think so. I kind of want to just draw on the black lines that did not come off. I was using this eyeliner. This is Physicians Formula, and it's that waterproof that it didn't come off with a makeup wipe. Wow. I am overheating so much, so I'm gonna cool myself down. The nightmare fuel. Oh, it's in my mouth. That feels so gross. But I am gonna go shower. Wish me luck with my hair, because it's... yeah. Every person that I've seen do this trend has taken their makeup off starting at the middle, and who am I if not a sheep, because I'm doing the same thing. I'm gonna try to do this quietly, so hopefully we get a little bit of ASMR. It didn't go as planned. Oh. Oh my goodness, I am so hot. A hair flip. Do a flip. Now that my real hair is showing, I'm gonna try to take off all the fake hair. Oh, that's coming off with my real hair. Oh, it's in my hairline. Okay, well, I'm gonna go from the middle then. Ow. This entire look took me 5.5 hours. I'm just hoping that it's gonna take less than that to take it off. 1, 2, 3. No, that was a bad idea. 1, 2, 3. Ow! No. Ah! Eyebrows are still on. That's a good sign. Oh my god. Oh, I feel so bad, but so good at the same time. My face is red. My eyes are stained. There's still glue in my eyebrows, and there's definitely latex in my hair. I'm done. I love you guys so much. I'm gonna go shower, maybe cry. I don't know. We'll see. Hey there, little freaks. You know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. I'm pretty proud of this one. Like, this is one of the my most favorite looks. I know what I'm saying. I can't talk, but I know what I'm saying. I will stop talking so you guys can enjoy the quality ASMR. Lovely. A lot of you guys are recreating my looks and I love it. It's amazing. I love it when you tag me in your videos. But I rip latex off of my skin because my skin is numb. If it hurts to take off, please use warm water and oil. I will soon be posting a tutorial for that look. And have a great day, you guys.
This one here smells great. Which one? Smells like Mother's crazy sister Kate. Oh, you think so? Yeah, I do. It smells so good. She couldn't have been that crazy. I don't think so. Oh, you don't think so, huh? No. Well, she put her poodle one time in a microwave oven. To eat it? Yeah, to eat it? Oh, no. No, 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 silly, to dry it. But it exploded, and they were both found dead. She must have been out of her head.
Spooky makeup warning, so scroll if you don't want to get freaky. No, scared. It's not what I meant. You know what I meant. Anyways, let's take this off again. I did try to make the removal satisfying, but I chose the most inconvenient way to do it. Oh my god. Well, I don't look nearly as cool anymore. Still can't fully see, so I'm gonna do this sclera's. I actually don't know how to take them out without the nails. I got so used to taking them out with like my long nails. My eyes are so dry. Oh, that feels so good. You know when you wear like really tight shoes for the whole day and then you come home and you finally take them off? This is what it feels like. Also, I was so dehydrated. At this point, this doesn't even deserve a makeup print, so I'm gonna waterboard myself. For once, the nightmare fuel part is less scary than the original makeup. My face is red, but other than that, I'm all clean. Well, hello there. You already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I'm honestly so happy with how this turned out, especially how the mouth moves. Like, my sister refuses to play with me while I have scary makeup on, so we gotta take it off. I'm gonna get the hair out of my face first. All right. I don't even see where the edges are. Like, I think I found one. Okay, big breath. Never mind. Let's do this. That made my eyes water. Now the eyebrows. Okay. Oh no. Okay, this eyebrow is still on. That's good. Let's hope this eyebrow is on too. Oh, thank God. I love painting on clothes, but it just takes so long to take off. This is always the sad part. Your daily dose of nightmare fuel. As if the original look wasn't scary enough. I took a shower, and you guys have an amazing day.
Ow, that hurt. I recommend to not pull these things off. Oh. The joys of rushing, because I've got plans tonight, and I need to be there now.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. This is Virgo for the zodiac signs gone bad. This one really has to be one of my favorites so far. Look at that. I really don't want to take her off. You know what they say, all good things must come to an end, and she's in my hair. Let's just start from the bottom. No physical pain, just emotional. Oh my God. I broke a flower. Literally. How does that happen? Did she get in my eyebrow? No, she didn't. Please don't rip my hair out. I think we're safe. Damn. I know this glitter will stay with me for months. Face so clean. Have a great day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. This is a look from my 7 Deadly Sins series. This is greed, as you can tell. I'm gonna start by taking my contacts off because I can't see. Much better. Time for the good stuff. Oh yeah. That was easy. Nice. And that's all? Just kidding, we got this one too. Oh. Okay, good enough. I've been obsessed with this cleanser, so I'm gonna go wash my face real quick. Eyebrows who? The full tutorial for this look will be in the link in my bio. Have a great day, you guys. Guess what time it is, guys? It's time to take this off again. I'm gonna take this contact lens off because I can't see anything with that one eye, so I'll be right back. Okay, it's off, and I smeared this part, but I don't care, because, yeah. No, this isn't my best look, but, you know, I had fun with it. Oh god, that looks so weird. Come out! Okay, the teeth are not coming out individually. That would be really cool. So I'm gonna take this whole thing, as a whole piece. So have fun watching that. Lovely. I'll be right back because I'm gonna take this whole thing off. Look at that. It belongs in the trash. Good day, everyone. Y'all are doing peel-off face masks? Sorry, honey. I do liquid latex. Oh, yes, baby. We're doing it. Bet you never saw a mask like this bad boy. Skincare? More like skin scare. Let's take her off. Lovely. Wow, my skin just loves me. Yeah. I did a tutorial for this beautiful look, and it will be in the link in my profile. Please don't actually use liquid latex as a face mask. Have a great day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? Yes, it is time to take this off again. If you couldn't tell, this was Scorpio for the zodiac, so yes. I'm gonna start by taking my lashes off because I cannot see. Now for the fun stuff. Boom. I just love having insects on my face, don't you? Are scorpions even insects? Oh, I don't know. And the moment we've all been waiting for. Nice. I feel like this is scary enough. I'm gonna go wash it off. Ah, my skin can breathe. Contacts are off, and that is it. I finally completed the mission of becoming a human disco ball. I cannot wait to take this off because I can't, like, move my face. This is all I can do. But let's try. That's terrifying. I'm getting little fin gills. That's not the word. There's latex on my fingers, and it's really late, and I want to go to sleep. You know, after having this much glitter on myself, I don't think I will ever get rid of it. But I can try. I found an edge. Let's do the face. Okay, that was scary. I feel like a superhero, like this is like my mask. The audio cut out here for whatever reason, but pretend I'm like crying. Painful latexes. The audio is out again. Still crying, yeah. Let's do the neck. 3, 2, 1. Hope you weren't watching that for the ASMR because I just screamed. I tried to do like an ASMR version of this on my Instagram, so if you want to check it out, you can. Ow.
Creepers, creepers, where'd you get those creepers? Creepers, creepers, where'd you get those eyes?
I can't take it off. I can't. can't take it off. Like, take it off. I can't. Take it off. I can't take it off. Like,